What's good about Iran? The nature is very varied. We got mountains, we got desert, we got the sea. The people are friendly. We don't have that variety in food. It is struggle to live here. Yeah, it is economically. We have problems. We have dating problems. We have dating inflations, and those stressful. Every time when you're bombarded with the news, stress about the future. People are very educated, but mostly they want to immigrate outside Iran. But there's a misconception that Iran dangerous areas and yeah, very safe. But I'm American and I'm going everywhere and I'm telling them I'm American and they like love people everywhere. American people are very friendly. I think they are very open-minded. The problem is between the governments, not about people. I love American people. I love their. So I'm American. How does it feel? Yeah. Why are you?
I've never seen an American.
Really?
Yes.
You've never seen an American person?
America, I like.
So, what do you think about America?
Regardless of countries, I think